How to upload TikToks on your PC. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial is simple and easy. How to upload your TikToks through PC. So first of all, go to tiktok.com, log into your account, and then click on upload here at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the TikTok Studio dashboard where you can view different things such as metrics, analytics, content and followers, and different things such as size and duration of videos, file formats, video resolutions, and aspect ratios. You can create high quality videos on CapCut Online because CapCut has a collaboration with TikTok. Now, select video to upload. For example, let's choose this one. Now, we're going to let the video upload and we can have a preview of how our TikTok will look on the feed. We can have a cover, description, and who can watch this video, to now our schedule, to run a copyright check, and everything. You can also edit the video right here on your TikTok. So this is on the profile, the web or TV, and the feed preview. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.